Hi everybody, and welcome back to Cozy Corner Crafts today. And today we're making a Mother's Day project. So in your kit, you're going to get a stick. You are going to get a yellow circle. You might get a pink circle. You're going to get 2 diamonds. And you are going to get 8 strips of paper, and it might be red, and it might be blue, and it might be purple. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your strips of paper and you're going to fold them in half, and you're going to glue them together at the top. And this time you could probably use just a glue stick like I am. So I'm just going to put some glue there, and I am going to stick it together like this. So I'm not squishing this, okay? So we're going to do the rest. Be right back. Okay, so now we're going to take our pink circle, if you have one, and you're just going to put some glue on the back, and then you're going to put this like that. Okay, and then you're going to take your stick and you're going to glue the top of the flower onto the stick. Okay, so now I'm going to take my flower and I'm going to glue the flower to the stick. Yay! And now we're going to go and put all of these on the flower. So what we could do, since we have the white glue out, is we can go and put the flower petals onto the back of the flower. So I got my first one on, and now I'm just going to take my flower petals and put them wherever I like onto the back of the flower, which has glue on it. Let's go put this one on this side. Oops. It would probably be better if I had this laid down on the top of the counter. Okay, so I have all my flower petals on my flower. And then the last thing we have to do is we're going to put some lovely leaves onto our flower. And I needed to use some white glue. So I'm going to put one down here. And then I'm going to put one here. A little bit more glue, and I actually put it the wrong way. We'll put it like this. Okay, so hope you like your Mother's Day flowers, and I hope you will show us your pictures of this, and have to be a little bit more patient than I was putting this together. We'll see you guys soon, and like we always say, I'd love to see your finished product. Thank you, or your finished craft. Bye for now. See you soon at Cozy Corner Stories, Thursday at 10:30. Bye.